Have you ever checked your bank account and wondered, wait, who spent all my money? Spoiler alert, it was you. But today, we're taking your money back. Because budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about control. It's about freedom. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a budget that finally works without spreadsheets, stress, or giving up your daily coffee. Let's jump in. Most people fail at budgeting for one simple reason. They build a budget that looks good on paper, but not in real life. Your life isn't a spreadsheet. It's messy. It's unpredictable. So your budget needs to work with your actual habits, not fight against them. Forget about tracking every single dollar. Today I'm going to show you a system that automatically keeps you on track. Okay, grab a notebook or just open the Notes app on your phone. This is where everything changes. We're going to use what I call the 3-bucket system. First up, bucket number 1, your must. These are your non-negotiables. We're talking about rent or your mortgage, groceries, utility bills, transportation to work, and any other essential payments that keep you alive or keep the lights on. It's the foundation of your financial life. For most people, this bucket will make up about 50 to 60% of your monthly income. Write down all your must and what they cost. Next, bucket number 2, fun. And yes, fun is a critical part of your budget. I can't stress this enough. If you don't intentionally plan for fun, you'll blow your budget the moment life gets even a little bit stressful. This bucket includes things like eating out at your favorite restaurant, your hobbies, that weekend trip you've been dreaming of, maybe even those late-night DoorDash binges. Whatever makes your life enjoyable goes here. I recommend allocating 20 to 30% of your income for this bucket completely guilt-free. And finally, bucket number 3, your future. This is the bucket that truly changes everything. This is where you put money for your long-term goals. Think savings, paying off debt, investing for retirement, and building that all-important emergency fund. This is the money that builds your future stability and wealth. Even starting with just 10% of your income here can transform your life over time. The key is to set up automatic transfers into this account so it happens without you even thinking about it. So, how do you actually set this all up? Here's the easy part. You don't need a fancy app or a complicated system. First, write down your total monthly income after taxes. Second, divide that income into your 3 buckets: must, fun, and future, using those percentages we talked about as a starting point. Third, and this is the most important step, look at where your money is actually going right now. Be honest with yourself. And fourth, adjust the percentages until it fits your real life, not some perfect ideal. And hey, if your musts are way higher than 60%, don't panic. That's actually valuable information. It just means this is the area we're making a change. Like finding a cheaper apartment or cutting a big bill will have the biggest impact on your finances. Ready for the secret sauce? The hack that makes the system stick. Make your budget visual. Our brains respond to visual cues, not abstract numbers on a screen. You can do this by using 3 separate checking accounts, or if your bank has them, 3 digital pots or envelopes. Label them must, fun, and future. Your paycheck goes into the main account, and then you automatically transfer the set amounts into your fun and future accounts. Here's why this works. When your fun money runs out for the month, it's out. You can visually see it's gone. And your future money, that stays completely untouched, growing safely in its own little bucket. Visual systems win because you stop relying on willpower, which is finite, and you start relying on a solid structure that does the heavy lifting for you. Just imagine this for a second. Imagine waking up a year from now with no money stress, with actual savings in the bank, with your debt going down instead of up, with choices and options you didn't have before. That's what this simple system creates. There are no extreme rules, no shame. No guilt, just a practical budget you can actually stick to month after month. If you want me to make a video walking you step by step through setting up your personal 3-bucket budget, including which bank accounts I recommend, drop a comment below that says I'm ready. Hit that like button if this was helpful. Subscribe for more money and mindset videos. And until next time, go take back control of your money. You've got this.